What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dennis Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. I think I've recorded like 5 videos just now. I recorded like 2 by myself after we got back from camp, after we got back from the beach, and I had to record them myself. I just set the camera up on a stand, and Hesper's recording for me today, so thank you, Hesper. And so I've got a lot of shoes to get through, a lot of videos to make. This is the second to last video we're gonna make today. So first though, before I go any further, a word from our sponsor, not just my sponsor, our sponsor, Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looks up to God and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? God was turning his back on his own son at that time. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. I read it as God's never gonna leave me or forsake me, because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking for me, and for him to be your sponsor, that's all you have to do is trust that he took all the forsaking for you so that you don't have to. Let's get into this shoe. We got one Cactus Jack Travis Scott collab here. This is the Air Max 1 Baroque Brown, I think. Yes, Baroque Brown. This is Trent's shoe. This is mine. We'll see if I'm going to keep both of these. If I can get something else as hyped as this before Trent can actually wear these, then I may not wear either of them. We might get rid of both of them and then just trade them in for something else. You will have already seen this video. I don't know when you're going to see any of these 2 videos, but you will have already recently seen this video. The Air Max 1 video you've already seen. You will have already seen this video at some point. We've got the shrouded versus unshrouded light chocolate rust pink Air Trainer Cactus Jack. I like these better in hand than I thought I would, than I thought I did. Definitely don't like the shroud, but now we've got the other colorway right here. This is the other colorway. This is the Air Trainer 1 CJ Gray Haze Olive Aura Canvas. Doesn't that just sound better than light chocolate rust pink?
No.
No? Gray Haze Olive Aura Canvas? No? Okay. Well, Hesper doesn't like it. I like that sound, the sound of that color better, but I also thought that I liked this colorway better. I also thought I didn't like this colorway as much as I do. But let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is way better.
I think these are the ones that I thought looked better than all of them.
This is your favorite?
Is there another blue one? Wasn't there like 4?
4, it was another one of these, and it was more like mostly this color.
Oh, okay.
Just
well, then I had to
been
been that one.
color. Yeah, I do like these, and this is the one I said I liked the most out of the trainers. Definitely not more than these. Definitely not more than either of the Air Maxes. But of the 2 trainers, this is the one I like the most. This is the one that he wore because it has a dryer sheet in it to keep it fresh. I don't like that though. Look at that swoosh. It's almost gone.
Yeah.
Like you can't even see it.
It's like a Walmart brand.
All right, as I was reviewing this shoe, I did not realize that this swoosh is backwards. So the Air Max 1 and most of the other collabs from Travis Scott and Nike, the outside of the shoe swoosh is backwards. This one, you barely even get a swoosh on the outside. It's the swoosh on the inside that's backwards. You don't really see the inside of the shoe that much, so I prefer the
So on the
outside
other
bit.
side of that one, is it see-through? Oh, okay. So
This
on
is
the
all
other
rubbery
side of
piece.
this one, you can see the swoosh.
Yes, that's the inside.
Yeah.
The backward swoosh you can
But-
see. The outside one is just like outlined in stitches.
Yeah.
That's the same, because these are both the same. So I wish this had a swoosh.
It does. It's just you can
I
barely
wish
see
it really had a swoosh. I wish it wasn't just outlined in stitching and also as part of the join, the union of these 2 different pieces of material. It's the same ribbed material. I do actually like this. This is a typical what's it called? A shoe has different pieces that are typical for it. What are the pieces called? Trait, not a trait. This is
Like characteristics or something.
something like that of a trainer. Most trainers have this. It also is in
I
the
don't.
Jordan 2. Huh? That's good. It's also part of the Jordan 2. So You see the similarities there?
Yeah.
In that ribbed section on the back. But still not a fan of this outsole. I'm not a fan of the way that it looks. Definitely still not a fan of the shrouds. We still get shrouds with this. They say the same thing. They tell you, you can actually read this one a little bit better, to place the shroud flat on the tongue pocket and close the zipper shut. Make sure you close the zipper shut. So we get a tongue pocket here. Because you have a tongue pocket, which is a pocket to put your shroud when you're not shrouding your shoe, then there's not much, there's no padding inside the tongue. And I don't like that. And I feel like
you have to put it in there so you know if you like it.
I don't care. It just feels like it'd be a hassle to get it in there.
You should try.
Which is one more reason why I wouldn't want the shoe.
But you don't know.
I do like this shoe, but this is quite possibly the worst stash pocket on any Cactus Jack collab. Does this one have?
It's probably just for looks.
No, they're not. They're made to be used.
Yeah. Like some of my pants, it just looks like there's pockets.
They're not really pockets. Yeah, maybe that's what it is. But let's see. I'm sure the insole is the same. I like the colors of the insole. White and green.
Mm-hmm. That's white.
Oh no, it's the same. It's this color.
Oh, that's not white.
Whichever one this is. It's either olive aura or I don't know.
So this is supposed to be olive?
Maybe this is the olive and this is all gray haze. I don't know. I mean, we demonstrated how stupid colorways are when, what was the shoe? The Jordan 9, the gray Jordan 9. The colorway was black and varsity red, even though it has white. A ton of way more white and way more gray than it does red. Those colors aren't even on the colorway. So I would definitely prefer this one. Like I said in this video, Miguel, this is the one Miguel wore, and they're both size 11. He says these fit more comfortably than the other trainers that have been coming out recently that look very similar, or that aren't Cactus Jack collabs, but look more similar to these than some of the trainers. When I tried the size 11 on, it was way too tight through here. I didn't even think about, I don't know why, I didn't think about adjusting the strap. But then I got an 11.5 and it was still too tight through here. So I will try these on and I'll put it in the description what I think about how these particular ones fit, especially compared to normal trainers, because I would have had to go up to a 12. It would have just been way too big for me. The shoe just wouldn't have made sense, so I didn't buy it. Even if I was able to get a 12, it just wouldn't have been right at all. But I like this one better, right? This, the colors here give me Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle vibes.
I can see that.
Yeah, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Finally, you agree with me with something. Normally you're like, nah, I don't think so. Like I said in the other video, disappointed that this doesn't have any sicko mode head on it. I mean, the backward swoosh, I mean, I'm comparing these to other Cactus Jack collabs. The backward swoosh on the outside, a swoosh period, a real swoosh, an actual material on the outside. I'm disappointed about not having one, and then not having sicko modes. So, making sure there's no other weird details here. It's a detail of the shoe. Maybe that's what I was thinking. I like these laces. I think there's another pair. He might have not put them back in. But thanks to Miguel for ooping these to me also. Whenever he gets a new pair of shoes, pretty much it just goes without saying that I can grab it from him, make a video, bring y'all some content, bring y'all a little bit of the word from our sponsor. So I really appreciate Miguel for ooping these to me. Do you know what a oop is?
Oops.
No, not oops. You don't know what a oop is? Haley didn't know what a oop was either.
I know, Balumpa.
No, oop. Short for alley-oop.
Alley-oop.
Alley-oop. Do you know what that is?
Spanish.
It's a basketball play like where you pass it to your teammate and your teammate catches it while in the air and dunks it in that same jump.
Like teamwork.
It is teamwork. Yes. But it's teamwork with style. It's not just a pass. Passing and shooting is teamwork. An assist. But it's an assist with style. Like
He's
style.
assisting you with style.
Style and what? Like they could make highlight reels just of oops. Alley-oops. Oops. They could make highlight reels with just those. They're that good of plays. So it's with style and with authority. Yeah, authority. Yeah. What else is it? Just with height. Let's say that. So if y'all don't know what oop is, like you've been living under a rock for your whole life or something. That's what it is. And Miguel throws me those all the time because he gets all these shoes. I think he's probably giving me 20, 25 pairs of shoes to make videos on. You haven't even seen all of them because I've got, I think, at least three of those videos just sitting uploaded to YouTube waiting to be published, but I get all this other content to put up in the middle. Some of them are just older shoes. So like I said, thanks a lot to him. Thanks even more to our sponsor. Thank you, Hesper, for recording and being such a good sport. We've had some good back and forth going today on these videos. Sometimes Hesper's in a bad mood and I try to get her to record. I'm like, let's just sit it on the stand. Her bad moods are generally short-lived, but I'd be better off just recording it myself. So, well, y'all let me know which one of these two you like better. This gets my vote. And still, unshrouded, deshrouded. Throw the shout in the trash.
Maybe these are for the grandpas and these are for the grandma.
These are grandpas? This looks more grandma. If you're talking about the two?
Two?
The two shoes?
Oh.
I would say this is more of a woman's shoe than that. I mean, this isn't really a woman's shoe either, but it's just softer colors. Y'all don't forget what we talked about in this video. If you didn't watch this video, this shroud, like, you know, we got a tagline that Hesper actually made up. You remember you made that up? Tell your grandma?
Oh, yeah.
You made that up just out of nowhere. She's like, I said, who are you supposed to tell? Like, tell your friends? I was recording her.
That's because we always tell our grandma.
And she's like, tell your grandma. I really need to go back and find that clip and put it at the end of, in my outro reel. But we were like, these probably aren't grandma's shoes. And then Hesper was like, no, grandmas would love this because it's like the shroud or like the plastic cover on their couch. Because you got to
keep it looking nice.
It'll keep it looking nice. So maybe grandmas would like this. I don't think so, but it was a good idea.
Or grandpas.
Might have made for some good content. We'll see when I post this video what y'all think about it. But y'all comment down below, let me know which one you like better. Either one of these two shoes, even though they're not mine, could possibly be available for the runner-up to choose from on the 2,000 sub giveaway. Miguel would probably say no at first, but I'm sure we could convince him, and I'm sure I could give him another shoe. I think I still have some shoes that he wants that I could trade him, because the runner-up, the second place winner, gets the choice of a shoe that I have here at that time once we hit 2,000 subs, and we're at 1,944 when I checked a couple hours ago, so we're probably even closer to 2,000 now, so it's right around the corner. And then the grand prize will be any shoe up to a certain dollar amount that I'll order for my most valuable sub. And if you haven't already been attempting to become my most valuable sub, you're probably not going to be able to do it unless all five or so that are constantly commenting on my videos, and it's probably 10 now, commenting on my videos and commenting something pertinent to what we're talking about, unless they fall off the face of the earth between now and the time we hit 2,000 subs, then you're going to have to just settle for the second place prize, which is still a good prize, right? Mm-hmm. I mean, any shoe that's here, pretty much any shoe that's here, maybe not everyone, but a lot of them. And I currently right now have 44 dead stock shoes of my own that are here, that or Hesper's, that haven't been worn. And you could even, second place could probably even pick from some of the shoes that I've worn if you prefer. But we'll talk about that once we get to that video. So watch out for that video because it's going to be here before you know it. Anything else? Smash the like button. I'll see you next time. What's up, YouTube? Hesper just started, and here's another video for us.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Oh!
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.